Yeah, baby. See that? 1-0. Oh, fuck.
I got a guy right over here.
Alright.
I got a guy right over here. Right on. I don't got more people. I just got to introduce.
Ready to get one kill.
It's like made.
Hit.
Let him out.
Out. Where should I go?
No, let him out. What?
I got the 3.
Standing up. Okay, he's out.
Get down there, raking. Boards this getting on.
That one behind that pallet there. Jack, you out?
Yes.
You people. Tyler.
Yeah.
Is there any more people back over there?
I'm trying to look right now. I know one guy was just peppering the store. I got one guy out from
down.
What?
That dude's out on me. No, there's another dude.
I got one guy out from your side over there.
Yeah.
Look through the door now, though. Yeah, I do.
How you guys doing up there?
I got a kill.
Nice.
Yeah. It's pretty fun.
Where's Dustin at?
He's back there.
Okay. You dude up there?
Alright, go. Wait. Just let's move up to the next thing.
Oh shit!
The fucker's M14.
Where at?
That dude's M14 shoots so fast.
Hey, Dustin.
He's like shooting at me and they're like hitting the trees and everything. What, Tyler?
Move off.
Where?
Right here.
Alright. It'd be cool if I knew where people were though.
Yeah, I know. This thing's like a whole entire barrier here.
This guy with the M14's right in the castle shooting this way.
Like this here.
Tyler.
What?
The guy with the M14
Yeah?
is in the castle shooting at this way. Like I tried running over there and he like blasted at me.
Right there. Get in here. No. I seen one earlier.
What the fuck are you shooting at? That sounds scary.
I know. We have 4 minutes, guys. We need to move up.
Where you at?
I don't see anyone.
Holy shit.
No, GoPro guy! No!
Ah, you got you on the butt!
Kind of. Because we didn't move fast enough.
Okay, then. No sense.
Shit.
Yeah.
Let's go to the school. Oh, yeah.
Right on the right side of the building.
I'm right behind you. Alright, sit. Sit. Move right side, move right side! Oh my god, did you raise that guy? He's going too long. That guy's in the tower.
I'll tell you what, hold on.
Who has to go to the school?
One right there. I could come out too. Hold on, I can cover you.
Wait up, wait up, wait up! Ah, shit.
Shouldn't be able to get too long to bring this in. We need to move up. We can get up to that school wall and then we got it. What? Can someone give me cover?
There's two guys up in the tower.
Alright, that bunker's a bad idea.
What?
That bunker's a bad idea.
Over two windows and they can see it over.
Yeah, find me. Got one of them.
How many hits was that? One for one person?
It sounded like a bunch of people. There's two people up in the tower and I was spraying on one of them for like 6 minutes.
Got a guy in the tower. Guy in the tower's out, I just got him.
He's out?
There's two of them up there though. Maybe more. I don't know. There's a guy like right there in that window. Ah, damn it. On this wall right here. Oh, I saw it. Oh my god.
Oh, there's two guys, 2 men. On the cross.
How you guys doing up there? Hey, ACU.
gonna move over here just to see if I can walk, okay?
How's it going up here? Everyone just getting hit?
hit.
Are you out?
Are you completely out?
You got hit?
Second hit.
I haven't been hit yet.
Okay, either have I. I've just been sitting on my ass back here.
Oh.
Hey Dustin, everyone's moving up on this side. Let's go.
Let's go, Dustin.
I pulled up.
What just happened?
Let's go.
Come on, man. Cody's okay?
Holy shit.
Let's go, Tyler.
Okay.
He's like right behind that. Hold on.
I think you can make it that far. I'm not shooting that. Y'all need to make a big rush.
Yeah.
Just do it. Everyone, count to 3.
Dustin.
All right, everybody?
Let's go.
Everybody just rushing on the count of 3? Okay. 1,
Come on, let's go.
2, 3. Oh, man. Oh. Sorry for the bad timing.
I don't know if that one hit me. It was close.
Back there.
Yeah.
You guys all move to the...
Hey, you want to get that side? Okay.
Hey.
Come on with your eyes on the barrel.
Watch my AK, guys.
Plus, you're gonna take your own
I'm
guy.
gonna try and make it over there. Are they shooting at us?
No, we're clear this side. We need to move up.
Do it slower.
Maybe they're not coming towards us.